In this demonstration, you will see two types of Tornador cleaning tools, the Tornador foam gun and the Tornador air liquid cleaning tool. Product being applied here is the Tornador EC100 enzyme cleaner. Dilution ratio is 2 ounces of concentrate added to the cup of 30 ounces of water. Air pressure for both tools will be set at 95 psi. Using a wet-dry vacuum cleaner or an extractor after this application works well also. This end user prefers the combination, leaving the surface dry and clean. Work in a well-ventilated area using gloves, eye protection. Safety first. Excellent for those hard-to-get-to areas, and especially on a fabric like this that is so easy to get wet. Higher air pressure allows the foam to go in quickly and accurately. Application for a seat, floorboard area, here the end user will make a application of pre-spot cleaner, followed with the foam gun. Unique application here, battery operated NiCad scrubber. The amount of foam is regulated by the air pressure valve on the handle. When the air pressure is turned down, a small amount of foam will be delivered. When the air pressure is raised, a higher volume of foam will be delivered. The product being used here is a wash and wax. Dilution ratio is 2 ounces of concentrate added to the cup of 30 ounces of water. As mentioned, higher the air pressure, higher the foam. In this demonstration, we're going to use a retail, ready-to-use wheel cleaner. We will wet the wheel, add 2 ounces of the ready-to-use wheel cleaner into the cup of 30 ounces of water. Apply the foam and agitate, followed with a rinse. Works great for a total wheel and tire cleaning application. In this application, a professional cleaner will be used, since this is a more difficult wheel to clean. is applied dry to the wheel per manufacturer's recommendation. Allow the product to dwell for 30 to 45 seconds. This will be removed with a high-pressure cold water washer. Be sure to ask your reconditioning professional and your supplier if they have information on Tornador cleaning tools for quick, easy, and effective results.